What's up, everybody? Bringing to you today the 2002 Chevy Avalanche. We put the 22s on it, the Diablo 22s. Check them out down here. With the chrome 22s, the black inserts, that's the Diablo Elites. Wrapped them up in the Pirellis, the Scorpion Asymmetricals. You know how we do. Customer came in, she was thinking about trading the truck in. We just talked her into putting some rims on it. She liked the wheels we picked out. You know, hot look from Diablo, brand new look. Slap the rims on it, truck, make the truck look brand new, you know, so customer loves it. Thanks to Diablo, shout out to Sly, taking care of us, and we're gonna keep it rolling.